Hi guys! So I decided to vlog again. It's Saturday today, Jan 21st. And right now, nasa bahay lang ako. I just prepared all the makeup that I need because I'll be doing one of my best friends' makeup. She's attending a wedding, so I'm just very excited. I have all my makeup here. Naka-ready na siya. So I'll be doing her makeup. And then, I just want to share, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen the post I did last night. So, I got my early birthday present. My hubby surprised me with it. I wasn't expecting it. He did all the drama and all that. And then, sinurprise niya ako para daw may impact, diba? May impact naman. Nagulat ako. I was jumping for joy, literally. Sobrang saya ko. Anyway, so, yon. Ito yung binigay niya sa akin. Yan. So, this is the Canon EOS 760D na camera. And then, it comes with this pouch. And then, yung lens niya nandito. I'm yet to play with it. Nagbabasa muna ako ng manual. And then, I'm also watching some YouTube videos about this camera para hindi ako mahirapan na gamitin. Ito, masyado siyang malaki for like vlogging. So, I'm gonna use my G7X, itong ginagamit ko right now for vlogging, and then this other camera naman for room filming lang. Kasi ang laki niya talaga and mabigat siya. But I really like it kasi yung lens niya talaga sobrang, sobrang nice. Yung makaka-focus talaga siya. So, ayan siya. 18 to 135 mm yung lens niya. So, yes, I'm very excited. I was actually planning to buy this siguro mga mga mid-year pa or mga end of this year. Pag-iipunan ko muna. But, yun, sinurprise niya ako, so hindi na ako bibili. I just feel very lucky because sobrang supportive niya. Alam mo yun, parang hindi ako siguro mag-YouTube videos kung, if not because of him. Because before, joke ko lang naman yung magka-create ako ng channel, yung, maybe I should, puro maybe lang. Alam mo yung ganun, puro maybe lang. But then, he's the one who told me na, why not give it a try, magandang din yan, parang hobby, kung masaya ka sa, paggagawa ng video, why not? Gawin mo, so go for it. So yeah, so that's when I really, pinag-isipan ko talaga siya, and then I finally decided to start my YouTube channel. Just for fun lang, as long as masaya ako sa ginagawa ko, right? Ang importante naman always is, as long as you're happy with what you're doing, then keep doing it and keep improving. I know my videos are not perfect. Yun yung gina-goal ko, is to be able to improve pa yung mga videos ko. And one thing for me really is yung mga gamit for me to have better video quality. I want na gumanda pa yung quality ng videos ko. I have the lighting. Right now, I'm happy with my lighting. One way or another, eventually, siguro, upgrade ko siya. But right now, I'm very happy with my lighting. So, yung camera lang talaga. Technically, hindi ko pa birthday. My birthday is in 3 days pa. 2-3 days, yeah. So, later, although ngayon yung weekend, birthday weekend ko, we'll celebrate it tonight. We're gonna go eat out. Magde-date kami. And so, nagko-coffee lang ako right now. Ayan, nasa side na naman ako. I just love sitting on the floor. Ang comfy kasi. What else? Ito, si Icy, yun. Medyo natutulog siya. I think he's still sleepy. How funny, because he's like, sinusunod niya yung schedule ko. So, every night kasi, before I go to bed, I sleep mga past 12 na almost every day. Because I, edit videos, and then I also reply to comments. So, sinasabayan niya ako, kaya in the morning tuloy, pagising ko, nagigising ako ng mga around, 7, 7:30, or minsan 8, ganyan. So, sumasabay siya. Feeling ko, inaantok pa siya. Kasi they need more sleep, I think, eh. So, ayan, ngayon, sleepy na siya ulit. Kawawa naman. And another thing, ito, i-haul ko to. I'm thinking of doing a haul video now. I'm not sure if I have time. I want to do my full-on makeup muna before I do that. So, probably bukas ko na lang siya gagawin. But I bought a lot of things here. Ito, ni-review ko na siya. Although, i-edit ko pa yung video. And then the rest, These are almost all of these, almost all lang, are very affordable. And then the mumuso also. Niisip ko kung isasabay ko na kasi konti lang tong binili ko sa mumuso eh. Hindi ako bumili ng marami kasi hindi ko naman nagagamit. I bought the things lang na magagamit ko and then dalawang makeup na gusto kong i-test. Also, guys, let me know if you want me to film Valentine's Day makeup. I'm thinking last year I did one. That was like last year pa. I can do like a more sexy, sultry makeup look and then another yung simple lang na look. So yeah, let me know what you think. Just leave your comments down in the comment section. So yeah, that's it muna for now. I'll update you guys in a bit. Ayan, hi guys! I'm done with my BFF's makeup. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung end result na ha. Hindi ko na nakuhaan ng vlog yung kanina. So, I'll show you guys ito. I'm so proud of myself. Charot. Oh, there you go, diba? Oh. Siya yan si Divine, ang aking isa pang BFF. And then, ayan si Rogie and Ellis.
Hi!
Hi!
Say hi to the camera. Hi!
Hi! Ang cute-cute na inaanak ko. Ayan, inaanak namin.
She's
Yes.
sleepy.
Oo, ayan.
Napungay ay.
Yan, yun lang guys. So, there you go. We're done. Hi guys. So, we're at Sofitel. We're just walking now. We had dinner at Spiral. Hindi ko na dinala yung vlogging camera ko kasi bulky siya. Yung bag ko maliit lang. So, I didn't bring that anymore. So, now we're just walking around here sa my pool area. There. Nice dito. Very relaxing lang actually. Ang ganda. Habi? Hi! So, we just here to celebrate my birthday! Look at him, oh. Such a sweet, sweet giant.
I'm so full.
You're so full.
Okay.
He's so funny. Can't move. Nice, nice. Nice place, guys. There you go. Hindi na siya makagalaw kasi sobrang kusog. Kahit ako din sobrang kusog. Kaya ayun. Alright guys, I will update you later. See ya. Guys, we're at home now. Nagliligpit lang ako kasi ang kalat ko talaga. Whenever I do makeup for others, ang kalat ko talaga. So, ayan, inayos ko na siya. Maayos na siya. Kanina sobrang kalat. Like, yung table na yan, sobrang daming stuff on the table. So, ngayon, inayos ko na. So, I'll probably continue to vlog tomorrow kasi may lakad din ako. I'm gonna meet up with some workmates ko before. So, yeah. And, itong top ko, I got this from Fashion Friday. So, ayan, kakaiba siya. Crop top siya na ganito. Tapos, mahaba yung, yan, parang bell sleeve siya. And then, ito, kasama na to. I really like it. So, red kasi, syempre, birthday, diba? Alright, guys. That's it. See you tomorrow. Hi, guys. So, it's Sunday today, and I am at the seafood market movies there. And we just bought some seafood, and then magpapaluto na. Now we have our number na. So, let's go. I am currently with my workmates before. Ito yung mga anak ko, anak-anakan. So, yeah. Let's go. Ayan na sila. Ayan na kami. Uy, vlog ko to ha. Ayan, hi! Ayan, yan yung mga anak-anakan ko. Ayan. Ayun yung asawa. Ito, mga inaanak ko, can you believe? May inaanak na ako sa kasal. Oh, tara nga. Ba't kayo ko lang? O, syempre, trend talaga sila. Trend yun. Huwag ka na makapal-hair. Pwede to patay. Tara na, doon na tayo. Maghanap na tayo mo. Okay. Packaging ko na. Yum. Ayan, eto na si Jerome, ang isa ko pang anak. Oh, mag-hi ka. Yung hi niya. Ano ba yun? Nakakatawa ka talaga. Ayan o, si
Grabe naman bata.
andito na yung mga food. Ayan.
Ganyang entrance mo eh. Gusto mo yun eh.
Ayan. Hi guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Ayan, mag-hi naman kayo dito. Lumapit kayo dito. Ayan, yan. Si Cindy. Ayan, si Nina. Si Jerome. Si Ange. At si... Saan na yun? Ayun, si Jace. Si Jessie pala, Jessie. Ayan. Mga makukulit. Ayan. Ayan si ano, si Nina. Nag-ano yan? Anong nga yung ginagawa mo, Nin?
Calligraphy.
Calligraphy. Ayan. Follow daw. Follow nyo naman daw siya. O, bigay mo yung ano mo. Bigay mo yung Instagram ka.
Atina Tinidao.
Yes. Ayan. Yun lang. Sige na, guys. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. So, I'm just done filming the giveaway announcement. And then, now I'm just about to edit it para ma-upload ko na siya. And some of you guys requested na gumawa ko ng life update. Tapos, tsaka ng siguro background story about me. So, I'll probably do that. Mga Feb siguro. I'll do that. And I'll also share yung mga nangyayari right now sa buhay namin. Kasi yun, maraming mangyayari. And I plan to vlog it. So, yun. So, I'm gonna close the vlog na now. And, istorbo ka eh. What do you want mommy to do, Popo? Gusto niya mag-sweet sa akin. He's super malambing talaga tong si Icy. Ayan o. Super lambing. Ayan, gusto niya. Binibaby talaga siya. Ayun. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!